Welcome back to Introduction to Engineering Design. We're on question 4 now for exercise 4.1G, some basic modeling skills, and this asks you to make it in the most efficient manner possible. Lots of different ways to do this. I'll tell you that I'm just going to make a sort of Z shape that defines the face of it and then cut that rectangle out. So with that said, let's get going. I'll move fairly fast through this. So File, New Part. As soon as I get my part, I'm going to command it to do an extruded boss base from the front plane and start to sketch my Z immediately. So my Z shape moves over, up, back to the left, horizontally, down, over my origin again, comes back down. Closed body. And I need to start to put some dimensions in. I didn't mention it, but you'll notice that all my dimensions are in inches, so I'm in good units here. So let's start out by doing my dimension of the base. Actually, let me do the overall height of it is 2.5 inches tall. My base is 1 inch. This shelf is 0.5 inches. And my top shelf is 1.5 inches. A little underdefined. I can grab the blue lines and say what's going on here, and what's going on is this one's going to move up and down, so I need to give it a location. Sorry about that. Give it a dimension here. That's going to be 1 inch. And this is 1.5 inches. All straight off the drawing. I'm now fully defined. So you'll notice that I've picked up all of these dimensions. And pull up SolidWorks here again. You'll notice that my dimensions pretty much stayed exactly the same as what's shown on the drawing. So that 1.5, 1.5, this 0.5 is that 0.5 right there, the 1 inch and the 1 inch, 2.5. With that said, let's go ahead now and exit this sketch. I told it I wanted to extrude it. It doesn't know which way. I'm going to say I need to go 4.5 inches, I believe. Take a quick look. True. I'm going to swap my directions and accept it. Now I have my basic shape. I need to make a cut-up notch on it. Let me go ahead and do an extruded cut on this surface. And as I look at my diagram, it can be summarized as a square. It's 1.5 inches tall, and it is 3 inches from the edge, and the other side of it will touch that front face. So let's do that. Start with a corner rectangle, starts up in this corner, comes down, and drops down 1.5. And I think I've got a little bit of a mistake in my drawing, so let's fix that. I'm going to do this first. Come in 3.5 from the edge. Exit my sketch, and I'm going to go ahead and cut through all. And accept it. Now you look at that and you say, well, that does not quite look right. So let's go back to my first sketch, and you'll notice that I missed something here. I missed this lip height is 0.5. So let's go back to this sketch, and I can edit this sketch. Kind of interesting here. So this is not really 1.5. This dimension here is really 0.5. Now you'll notice it's instructive. When I do that, my whole shape modifies. And that's because it's a parametric model that's stable. Everything's fully defined. So I didn't break anything. So now I have my puzzle, or my piece, done here. And it looks quite similar. I'll save that as question 4, 4.1G, question 4, and submit it. Thanks for watching.